Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to start a very interesting dialogue-driven English learning story that will help you improve your English naturally. This is a natural way to improve your English because you don't just listen to words. You learn how real conversations happen. Today, we will follow a story about Alex, a student who believes he has a bad memory. But his teacher helps him understand something very important about how memory actually works. Let's begin. Teacher, why are you late again, Alex? Alex, I forgot the meeting was today. Teacher, again, Alex. Yeah, teacher. And where is the notebook I asked you to bring? Alex, I forgot it too. Teacher, interesting. Tell me something, Alex. Did you forget your phone today? Alex, no. Teacher, did you forget to have breakfast? Alex, no. Teacher, did you forget to play your favorite game, Granny? Alex, of course not. Teacher, then maybe your memory isn't the problem. Alex, what do you mean? Everyone says I have a terrible memory. Teacher, and do you believe that? Alex, I do. I forget names, tasks, birthdays, appointments, everything. Teacher, everything? Alex, almost everything, yeah. Teacher, what's the password for your Granny game account? Alex, I know it instantly. Teacher, and you remember every room, every hiding spot, and every trick to escape the game, don't you? Alex, yes, I do. Teacher, so your memory is actually working perfectly fine. Alex, then why do I forget important things? Teacher, let me ask you another question. When I gave you that task yesterday, what were you doing at that time? Alex, I was checking my phone. Teacher, and when your mother asked you to buy groceries? Alex, I was watching videos. Teacher, and when your boss explained your assignment? Alex, I was thinking about something else. Teacher, exactly. Alex, exactly what? Teacher, you can't remember what you never paid attention to. Alex, so you're saying I'm not forgetful? Teacher, I'm saying you are distracted. Alex, that hurts. Teacher, the truth often does. Alex, okay. If attention is the problem, how do I fix it? Teacher, I'll tell you a story. Alex, another story. Teacher, just listen. Teacher, imagine you meet a man named Michael at a party. Alex, okay. Teacher, he says, hi, my name is Michael. Alex, right. Teacher, 3 seconds later, someone asks you his name. Alex, I probably wouldn't remember. Teacher, why, Alex? Because I wasn't paying attention. Teacher, exactly. But what if Michael said, my name is Michael and I build race cars for a living? Alex, I would probably remember that. Teacher, why, Alex? Because it's interesting. Teacher, that's the secret. Alex, what's the secret? Teacher, your brain remembers what it finds meaningful. Alex, so how do I make things meaningful? Teacher, by connecting them. Alex, connecting them to what? Teacher, to something you already know. Teacher, let's say someone's name is Rose. Alex, okay. Teacher, picture them holding a giant red rose. Alex, that's weird. Teacher, exactly, and that's why you will remember it. Alex, so memory is basically about making things weird. Teacher, weird, emotional, visual, and interesting. Alex, that's it. Teacher, not quite. Alex, there's more. Teacher, much more. Teacher, tell me, where do you put your keys when you come home? Alex, anywhere. Teacher, and then what happens? Alex, then I spend 20 minutes looking for them. Teacher, do your keys have a fixed place? Alex, no. Teacher, then you are not forgetting your keys. Alex, I'm not. Teacher, no, your keys don't have a home. Teacher, memory loves systems. Alex, systems? Teacher, yes, same place, same routine, same habit. Alex, so the problem isn't memory, it's a lack of systems. Teacher, now you're learning. A week later, Alex returned. Teacher, how is your memory now? Alex, something strange happened. Teacher, what happened? Alex, I stopped calling myself forgetful. Teacher, and then? Alex, I started paying attention. Teacher, and then? Alex, I started connecting names to images. Teacher, and then? Alex, I gave important things a fixed place. Teacher, and? Alex, I forgot a lot less. Teacher, one final question, Alex, what changed? Alex, I always believed memory was a gift. Teacher, and now? Alex, now I realize it's a skill. Teacher, exactly. People say they have a bad memory. but most of the time they have poor attention, no system, and no connection. So if you want to remember more, pay attention, make it meaningful, create a system, and stop telling yourself that you have a bad memory, because your brain is always listening. If you enjoyed this dialogue-driven English learning story, and if it really helped you improve your English, please like and subscribe to my channel. This motivates me to create more simple and powerful English learning stories for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.